So today awareness rally has been organized by the Nursing Institute. So what do you like to say, sir?
Yeah, good morning to everyone. I am Principal Dr. Wilson Fernandez from the Institute of Nursing Education. Today, Red Ribbon Club of the Institute of Nursing Education, in collaboration with Goa AIDS Control Society, we have organized this rally for the AIDS awareness program from Agasaim to Pilar village to create awareness. We know World AIDS Day is celebrated every year on 1st December to observe this day. But since we have a state level function on the 1st, we have organized this rally today. What we want to give a key message that we know a lot of progress has been made in the health, but still AIDS is one of the global problems where youngsters die due to the AIDS, and people living with AIDS have a lot of discrimination and stigma attached to it. What we want to make awareness in the public is that these people who are living with AIDS also deserve a respect, they deserve a love, and they also deserve good access to healthcare facilities, because they are also human beings, and we as a nurses plays an important role in taking care of this patient, and we want to give a strong message to the public that AIDS is preventable, it can be prevented, and people who are already infected with HIV/AIDS has a right to live a healthy, normal life without any discrimination and stigma. Today, a day which we want to spread awareness to the all public in the village of Agasaim and Pilar that AIDS is a preventable, and give your love to people, don't hate them, fight with the AIDS, not with the people living with AIDS. So with this message, our students have different placards, different slogans which has brought the awareness in the village of Agasaim and Pilar.
Sir, how many students have participated, and Red Ribbon Club what activities do?
Red Ribbon Club is specially meant under Goa AIDS Control Society, where the students have different activities, and some funding is given by the Goa AIDS Control Society to organize this for the refreshments and all. And throughout the year, different activities are created, like awareness among students, what is AIDS and how to prevent AIDS. And also we organize as a part of this Red Ribbon Club these awareness programs in the village, so we can spread the awareness about AIDS related activities.
So what do you like to say about this year's theme?
Yeah, this year's theme says let's end AIDS. We as a public, we as a professional plays an important role in putting the end to HIV/AIDS. This pandemic has been increasing, and there has been a death among the youth. So it is our role, each one of us has a role to end this pandemic. So on this day, we have to commit ourselves to for the prevention, means to prevent these whatever cases which are happening, and also to give equal treatment to people who are suffering from HIV/AIDS.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Just a minute. This car has to go. Just move on. Okay, just and wait at the junction. I'm only like busy.
मॅडम त्यांची रॅली होतो आणि मला 2 केली.
Wait at the junction.
You have participated in the rally, so what do you like to say about your experience being part of this rally?
Good morning everyone, I am Sahiba Khan, first year BSc nursing student from INE. So we the students of INE are here today to stand up, speak out and stop AIDS. We as youngsters need to be aware that we need to stop thinking about the stigmas of AIDS, and we need to be very confident and learn that it is how AIDS is spread, and we should not be under an impression that we as medical students need to be making more people aware about it, and we as nurses are responsible that people understand what causes AIDS and how can AIDS be prevented, and we should stop thinking about the stigmas of AIDS. Thank you.
You also been part of this rally. What do you like to say about this rally?
The thing is, I'm Sudha Vishwakarma from FYBSc, from Institute of Nursing Education. We students have all gathered here to spread awareness on AIDS. The world has advanced, like from technology, like everything, to be honest. But we still have the misconception about AIDS. AIDS does not spread only by by blood transfusion. It can spread through various means, and AIDS does not transfer in people even with living together or sharing food or even like holding hands and touching. People need to understand that. We just can't still live in the misconception about AIDS. Thank you.
You also been part of this rally. What do you like to say?
So my name is Vipul Gayak. I am studying in first year BSc Nursing. So beside awareness is a part of this rally. So beside awareness, spreading love, respect to all, this is the main part of this rally. So we have to respect all those and love all those who are affected with this disease. So there is so much of hatred in this world. So we have to respect them and treat them equally in the society. Thank you.